How to transfer USDT from Worldcoin to Binance. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to do it. After you open the Binance app like this, now go to assets. After you come to asset in the Binance, go to deposit. So now tap on this search and search for WLD. WLD, that's Worldcoin. Now select the Worldcoin like this. So now tap on this Worldcoin chain. After you select the network, tap on this OK button and copy the Worldcoin address like this. After you copy the address of the Worldcoin by tapping on this button, now close the Worldcoin, close the Binance and go back to your Worldcoin app. So after you open up now your Worldcoin app like this, now tap on this wallet, go to this three dot, go to this withdraw button. So from this option now, if you have any amount of Worldcoin, it will be available for you in this option. Just select the Worldcoin like this Solana, Bitcoin, it will be just available for you. Because I don't have any amount of Worldcoin, that's why it doesn't allow me to just select any one of them. So after you select your Worldcoin, from there it will ask you to paste in the address. After you paste in the address that you copy from Binance, specify the amount you want to withdraw and tap on the withdraw button. So after you send the Worldcoin to your Binance, now let me show you how to convert the Worldcoin to USDT. So after you receive the Worldcoin in your Binance account, just go to this asset button. So from this asset now, if you scroll to down, you'll be able to find the amount of the Worldcoin that you send from the Worldcoin app. Now if you want to convert it, so now if you want to convert the Worldcoin into USDT, go to this trade button. In this trade, now tap on this convert. So after you tap on this convert button in the trade, now tap on this option now. So now tap on this option now. In this option now, select the select the Worldcoin. Go and type in WLG like this. So now here is the Worldcoin. So after you select Worldcoin, in this option now select USDT. So tap on this option, now select USDT. Here is it now. If you can't find it, just search for USDT. So from this option now, go and specify the amount of the Worldcoin that you want to convert from Worldcoin to USDT. Let's say you have like 20 Worldcoin, just specify the amount. You'll be able to see the conversion rate of the USDT you'll be receiving. Just tap on this preview button and convert. If you tap on this preview button, it will give you another button which says convert. After you tap on the convert button, from there your Worldcoin will be converted into USDT. So now if you want to see the amount of the USDT that you have, just go back to the asset button at the bottom right side. After you come to the asset section, just go ahead and see the USDT. You'll be able to see the amount of USDT you receive after you converted your Worldcoin into USD. That's it guys on how to transfer USDT from Worldcoin to Binance. Please like and subscribe.